How to write a review paper. Review article outline step-by-step guide with definition of review paper, steps in writing review paper, words limits, types, format and example of review paper article. What is review article? It is the evaluation of someone else's research or writing and often considered as secondary literature as it does not present new facts or figures from the original document. Steps for writing review paper. Number 1 is search a topic, its need, and audience. Number 2 is conduct literature research. Number 3 is start creating draft with citations. Number 4 is create tables of previously published research data. Number 5 is select the review type you wish to write. Number 6 is focus on the objectives of the review paper. Number 7 is try to write a critical review if possible. Number 8 is cross-check quoted results in previous literature and cite. Number 9 is write the abstract and proofread it. Number 10 is send it to co-authors for their contribution. Number 11 is give journal-specific format to your review paper. Number 12 is submit it to the journal for peer review. How many words can be written in review paper article? There are not many journals that publish review articles as it is considered as secondary literature, and a review paper could range from 8,000 to 40,000 words per article, depending upon the original document. However, some of the journals only publish review articles and solely dedicated to publishing it as it provides a comprehensive summary of research on a particular topic. Type of review paper article. Number 1 is narrative review articles. Number 2 is systematic review articles. Number 3 is tutorial reviews articles. Number 1 is narrative review articles. It can target a large group of audience, that may include non-experts or non-professionals, and hence written in a comparatively easy format than systematic review articles. Number 2 is systematic review articles. It mainly contains a lot of more detail about a particular topic than narrative review articles. It is a comprehensive review of the original published research and are for a specific group of people because these articles contain an in-depth analysis of a particular topic, and this kind of paper is also known as a critical review paper. There are two types of systemic review articles, namely qualitative and quantitative reviews. Number 3 is tutorial reviews articles. These articles basically emphasize on how to do stuff. Tutorial review papers explain how to prepare and achieve results with previously cited work and compare the methods in detail. Format of review paper article. Number 1 is abstract of your review paper. Number 2 is introduction of your topic. Number 3 is write the main body part. Number 4 is critical deliberation. Number 5 is conclusion of your review article. Number 6 is references in required style. Example of review paper article. In example 1 is the review article, which is titled Effect of Exercise Diet and Weight Loss on High Blood Pressure, written by Bacon et al. 2004. The total words in this review article are 8,363 and total number of pages are from 307 to 316, which mean total of 11 pages. Look at Table of Contents and Abstract for getting idea. The table of contents, in which first 2 heading is the introduction of review article, while 3 to 6 heading comes in body part of review article, and not last but least 7 heading comes in conclusion of review article. The abstract clearly signify that the subject or focus of the literature review is identified in the abstract in first 2 sentences of paragraph 2, which is underlined with red color. In heading 1 Risk and Cost of High Blood Pressure, you can see that second sentences is underlined, which is starting from hypertension to medication is the introduction. The second heading, Clinical Consequences of Hypertension, is also introduction. The effect of exercise on blood pressure is the body part of review article which identify popular or common research topic. The body, which is the middle of a review article, discusses the studies that have been conducted on the reviewer's topic. It is body part of review article. So you can get idea that is how they extend right up on 4 heading dietary approaches to blood pressure reduction from secondary sources. It is also body part of review article. The heading 5, which is effects of weight loss on blood pressure, and heading 6, which is cardiac and vascular benefits of behavioral intervention, is briefly explained based on secondary sources. The heading 7 is the conclusion of review article. After that, authors of article written acknowledgements in 2 sentences and cited 112 references in Vancouver style. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.